Welcome to Vanindin Academy. If you're planning to install a solar system, choosing the right inverter is one of the most important decisions you'll make. In this video, we're revealing the secrets to choosing the perfect solar inverter for your home, based on your power needs, roof layout, future plans, and budget. Let's get started. First, what does a solar inverter actually do? A solar inverter takes the electricity your panels produce, called direct current or DC, and turns it into alternating current or AC, which is what your home appliances use. Without the right inverter, your solar panels can't power your home, so choosing the right one matters. The first secret is knowing your energy usage. Look at your electricity bills. If you're using around 15 to 20 kilowatt hours a day, a 5 kilowatts inverter is usually a good fit. If you're using 30 to 50 kilowatt hours, you'll need something larger, like a 7 kilowatts, 10 kilowatts, or even 12 kilowatts inverter. The second secret is understanding your system size. Your solar panel's total capacity should match or slightly exceed your inverter's capacity. This is called oversizing, and it's normal. For example, it's common to pair a 6.6 kilowatt solar array with a 5 kilowatts inverter to get the most from your system during peak hours. The third secret is choosing the right inverter type for your setup. There are three main types: string inverters, the most common and affordable. Great for rooftops with consistent sun exposure. Microinverters. These go under each solar panel and are perfect if your roof has shading or panels in different directions. Hybrid inverters. These work with both solar and battery systems. If you plan to add a battery now or in the future, this is your best option. The fourth secret is checking your roof conditions. If your roof has multiple angles or some shading throughout the day, a string inverter might not perform well. In that case, go with microinverters or power optimizers for better efficiency. The fifth secret is thinking about your future energy needs. If you plan to add an electric vehicle, a heat pump, or more appliances, choose an inverter that can handle growth, either by going up one size or using a hybrid inverter that supports expansion. The sixth secret is looking at inverter warranties and brands. Choose a reputable brand with a solid warranty, ideally 10 years or more. Cheap inverters may save money up front but can fail earlier, costing more over time. Here's a quick checklist to help choose the perfect solar inverter. Know your daily energy usage. Match inverter size to your system, with slight oversizing. Choose the right type: string, micro, or hybrid. Consider roof shading and layout. Plan for future power needs. Check warranty and brand reputation. The perfect inverter balances performance, efficiency, expandability, and reliability, based on your unique setup. Thanks for watching Vanindin Academy. If this helped you understand solar inverters better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more clear and beginner-friendly solar advice. Let us know in the comments. What kind of inverter are you considering for your home?